Good morning, guys. It's 6:30 in the morning and the last Sunday of July 24, and we have embarked upon another trip. And this trip is something I've been looking forward for months and years. We're going to explore Kerala. It's going to be a week-long trip, and we plan to explore multiple places, have different experiences, and have a long drive, And so it's been 20 minutes that we have already left from our homes, and we thought of leaving early, but it's okay. And the first stop for us would be Thekadi. Thekadi resides very close to Periyar Tiger Reserve Wildlife Sanctuary, and it's about 500 kilometers from here. And as per Google, it's going to take around 8 to 9 hours around. So we left at around 6 in the morning. So we plan to reach there after all the stops and all by maybe 4 p.m. We should be fine. Couple of activities planned up for today. Kerala is a state of lot of cultures, experiences, and some of them we are going to try today. So very excited, and enjoy this trip with us. Okay guys, so we had our breakfast. We stopped at Sarvana Bhavan Classic, and we had dosa and pongal. Best part about Tamil Nadu is that you get sambar, which is spicy, and there are some good chutneys as well. So we loved the breakfast. It was an early breakfast for us because we woke up at 4 in the morning, and was starting to feeling a bit sleepy. So thought a break would help us. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, around 8:05, 8:10, and still around 425 kilometers to go. We have only come around 75 kilometers for now, but now our next stop would be to go on for at least next 2 hours and try to cover as much distance as we can. And guys, check out the mileage after about 70 or 80 odd kilometers, 20.4. Best thing about coming out from Bangalore is at a height, and most of the time you are traveling downwards. So you get an extremely good mileage, and I love that. Because we are continuing our journey on NH44. The roads have been really good till now. No bad stretch at all, to be honest. Some barricades and all in between checkposts. Other than that, really good roads, and as you can see, it's very scenic as well on both the sides. So yeah, it's again it's ETA around 3 p.m. for now, more than 3 somewhat, but the more breaks we take, this will increase. But at this point of time, we are cruising at a good speed, and we'll probably be stopping for another stop after an hour or so. guys, we have crossed Salem now, and there were quite some diversions in between and some slow moving traffic. But other than that, we are still on NH44 and it's a smooth sailing. I think we have crossed more than 200 kilometers now. It's around 10 AM in the morning. My car's mileage again still 20 kilometers per hour, which I'm very happy after 200 kilometers. And yeah, so it's going well. One thing I noticed, in these villages in Tamil Nadu here, most of the times, most of the people on two-wheelers are not wearing helmet. I would say almost all of them, 95% of them. I don't understand how the fast-moving highways and people are just going like this. We don't see that in Bangalore, but here it is just. So if anyone listening from Tamil Nadu, such places, please, wear helmets when you are on two-wheeler. So we took one break. It was almost 3 hours we were driving after we had breakfast at around 8 AM. It's I think 11:30 now, and we were driving for more than 3 hours. So we took a much needed coffee break, and as well as for our car to get some downtime. The coffee was good. It was a good restaurant. Clean washroom. The only problem was coffee was costing $35. Slightly on the higher side, but that's okay. And roads continue to be good. Next milestone I think will be Dindigul, which is around 80 kilometers, so 75 kilometers from here. From there we take a turn for Theni. So far so good, roads are wonderful, and we'll continue to cruise. So guys, we have taken a turn now from NH44, and this is the highway which goes towards Theni from here. So let's see what kind of roads there are. Roads are wonderful on NH44 till now. It was a bliss driving on it. Now this seems to be some internal roads or maybe a state highway, I don't know. But around 70 kilometers to Theni, and I think we are on time, and Google still says we'll reach by 3 PM, or if you take break then 3:30, but so far so good. Okay guys, so I think we are doing well at this point, and I'm very pleased with the progress that we have made. It's only 1 hour left to reach, and we should be able to reach before 3 PM, and that's wonderful given that we started only after 6 AM in the morning, and the distance was 500 kilometers. Other than that, the road has been wonderful, after we exited NH44. The roads are actually very scenic here, not a lot of traffic, but manageable. And just check out the road views on both the sides. It's absolutely wonderful. And one other thing I'm quite surprised about is the rains. It did not rain at all today. It's the last week of July, the peak monsoons, and it's not raining instantly. So, but that's okay. It's good for us actually, more sightseeing. Other thing is, when we started from Bangalore, the temperature was around 22.5 degrees Celsius, and temperatures in Bangalore has been spectacular for past couple of weeks. But the temperature here, I think now it might be slightly better, but in between I saw almost 38 degrees of temperature. I started feeling slightly hot in the car, and then we realized it's so much hot outside, so we had to decrease the AC temperature. Other than that, all good, and we should be able to reach our destination in another hour. So guys, we are in the last leg of our trip of this reaching Periyar Tiger Reserve, and I think it's 6-7 kilometer left, and these are the ghat roads now. Temperature has suddenly changed. It is dropping now, and it was 36 in the somewhere 37. Now it has come down to 26, and it didn't rain at all the entire time. Now it is somewhat drizzling, very lightly though, and looks wonderful. I think because of these roads, it will take around 20 minutes to cover those 6-7 kilometers. But I think we are still in the Tamil Nadu boundary because we did not get any checkpost for Kerala. So soon we should be entering Kerala from here. So guys, we had reached our resort at around 3 PM, which is very reasonable. This is the place we are staying on. This is I think a 2 or 3 star property, but rates are pretty reasonable, around 1500s, including breakfast. So I thought it's a steal, and we are only staying here for the overnight. Rooms are also fine, pretty big, but that's basic. Having said that, the parking is pretty good. This is our car parked, so very nice parking. Its shade is also there, and I would say it's an okay resort because it's right in the center of the market, and pretty reasonable price as well. Basic services, but if you're staying here for overnight, I think it's a good choice. So now we are going to Kathakali. Tickets were not available online for the same day, but they said it will be available once we reach there. So plan is to quickly reach there before 5, and we'll see if we enjoy the show.